Get ready, here comes the money shot. How you doing? Don't be getting any close-ups, guy. I'm not fond of that shit. I don't know. Try to get some people to say some stupid shit and then we can make a video out of it. I mean, you guys are two prime candidates, but you guys got your game faces on.
We're here for one reason.
Yeah. This could be tricky. I think I brought my good sneakers. Did you get your program?
Yeah, 2 of them. Thank you.
Good. Glad to hear it.
Very much. You're a good fucking man. He's not filming us, is he?
He might be.
Wow.
Yeah.
Does it pick up words?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's all right.
Well, cut that part out.
Hey. Yo.
You know why a chicken coop has 2 doors?
I don't know what you got.
If it had 4 doors, it would be a chicken sedan.
Oh boy. All right.
That's a good one. Eh?
Yeah. On that note, I'll see you later.
We're having hamburgers today. Cheeseburgers. Living big. Freezing our can off.
There he is. What's up, bro?
Not much, man.
I got that girl Ronnie's gonna be selling them. She's got them all with her. Oh. I'll make sure she come back and see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to do some more video stuff.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Nice.
You've been getting this whole conversation's been getting filmed, so
yeah.
you may not know.
Over there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Smooth.
I hate staring at the camera.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Yep. Oh, this fucking went right down in the mud over here.
Mike, we just have to jack this side up.
I'll make sure Ronnie comes see you. Program. You guys are on the cover.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I was standing up there and some guy goes, "Is this you?" I go, "No," because I'm thinking, what the hell would I be doing on it? You know, I look at,
All right, cool.
Well, you were the hottest chick at the banquet.
Oh, isn't that nice? I just texted Ronnie. I said, make sure you come out to the parking lot pits and hit the 18 strictly stop. So
yeah, right. You fucking did not.
Post
He's gonna show me. Yeah, like when's it?
MS 5152 in parking lot. Looking for programs. Check 91, 34 mini stock, and 18 strictly stock. That's been $10 now.
What's up? I don't want a DVD.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How about a program?
No, there's no pictures.
So you want 10
Nothing? All right. Good luck.
I mean, put more angle to it and free it up that way, but
That was a waste of time. Got some more mud. All right, I think we're gonna head over to the mod pits. Did you get that cough? How'd that sound?
How's that work out? The 57's on the pole in the first heat.
I heard he's not that good.
Number 1. No, he sucks.
Last year?
No. They're new.
Oh, 2, please. Don't have mine yet.
I know, huh?
Putting the things together?
I am, but I have a girl selling them for me.
Oh.
Yeah,
You
trying to
moved up from
expand.
that.
I'm trying to do some more video stuff. You know,
Delegating authority and shit.
trying to be a bigwig. It's tough.
All right. Well, send her to
I will
the
get some.
07.
Yeah, I will. You know what? I will. Are you nuts? Ah, crap. All right, 2 programs to the 07 late model pit. Done. Technology, it works, guy. 07 late model. When you get a chance. Please. Throw the please in there. And it'll definitely happen. All right, good. So do you like to be on camera?
No.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
She's getting filmed right now, in case you didn't know.
Oh, great. Thanks.
Just letting you know.
Now he's got soda.
Gotta make things work for you.
Yeah,
He already paid me.
I'm gonna have it made now because now I know where all the places to go and.
Yeah, that's what I was telling him.
You.
No, actually, you keep the buck. That tip's on Nate.
Yes, of course he would have given it to me.
Yeah, he would.
you.
He don't tip me at all. That's why I knew it was for you. I just sent Ronnie down to Phil Evans to sell a program. Phil Evans is right over here. That sucks. What's up, country? What's up?
Much.
She ready to roll? By the way, I love the way the car looks this year. Yeah, it's mint. She's ready to roll?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Change the jets.
If you're hungry.
Yeah, I am actually.
Big Ziti.
She's the best.
You got hamburgers.
You got hamburgers?
Yep.
I might have to come see you too.
You want grated cheese too, honey?
Oh, that would be awesome. Oh!
That's right.
What's up, Captain?
What's up, my man?
How's everything? Did you get your program today?
Refused to buy them.
What the hell are you talking about? You refused to buy them. What the hell is that all about?
Can't get rid of the ones I got.
It's the way to go right here, bro. Baked Ziti. You can't beat that.